Welcome to RAISINS, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, click the Analysis of Experiment tab and choose ANCOVA in CRD analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the treatment column. Next comes the covariate column, and then select the variables. If any of the observation needed transformation, click for transformation. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. Under the Calculation tab, you'll find pairwise comparison of treatments for all characters under study. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Basic Plot tab to create box plots, violin plots, mean and error plots, line plots, and bar graphs. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. And if you have 3 or more set of observations, use the Multivariate tab to perform PCA with downloadable results. If you have any doubts, click FAQs, get started with RAISINS, and make your data speak.